Is your iPhone stuck on lock to owner, and no matter what you try, it just won't move forward? You reset it, everything looks fine, but suddenly you're blocked by an Apple ID you can't access. If you're feeling confused, stressed, or worried you've been scammed, you're not alone. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the IBF Tools YouTube channel. Your Apple ID is at the center of the entire Apple ecosystem. It connects your device to iCloud, protects your personal data, and controls access to essential services like Find My, the App Store, and backups. When access to that Apple ID is lost, problems begin. But that doesn't mean all hope is gone. This problem affects thousands of users every day, often after a factory reset, a software update, or when purchasing a second-hand device that's still linked to a previous Apple ID. In this video, I'll explain what's really happening and show you the real, legitimate options that can help you move forward, without risky tricks or false promises. Let's get started. Quick disclaimer: Activation Lock is a security feature created by Apple to protect device owners. Trying to remove it from a device you do not legally own is against the law. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only and intended to help legitimate owners understand their options and avoid scams. The IBF tool was designed to simplify this process. Instead of forcing advanced technical procedures, it offers a guided workflow for handling passcode or account-related lock situations on iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. After installing the software on your computer, you connect the device, select the correct model and iOS version, and follow the on-screen instructions. Recent versions are designed to work without risky system modifications, making the process more accessible for everyday users. The device can be restored to a clean setup state, allowing you to move forward past the activation lock screen. Even calling functions may work. As always, this method is intended only for devices you legally own and is shown here for educational purposes. If this video helped clarify your options, like the video and let me know in the comments which method applies to your case. If you still have questions, you can reach out using the contact links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.